Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Trust Wallet tokens using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, on the top of the screen, you can see the receive and buy buttons. You can either buy or receive Trust Wallet tokens. Now tap on the one that you are interested in, start typing in Trust, and the Trust Wallet token is going to pop up immediately. Oh, sorry, just closed it. Trust Wallet. Then when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own Trust Wallet QR code and address. And with this new QR code and address, you can receive Trust Wallet tokens in your Trust Wallet. Or you can just tap on copy and it's going to copy your address. The second button, the set amount button, is a very cool feature. Here you can type in a set amount of Trust Wallet tokens and it's going to generate for you a new QR code and a new address. And with this new QR code and address, you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great way for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon, you can share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.